Hello everyone, and welcome to Recreation Outside Las Vegas. My name is Diane, and I travel all over the state of Nevada, Arizona, California, Utah, and even beyond. I am in the process of redoing my 2004 Chevy Trailblazer and making it into a camper. In the last few videos, I explained why I was going to do that, and I took out the back seats. And in today's video, I'm actually going to do some measurements and create the blueprint and show you what I plan to do. From there to there, 34. I'm going to measure from there, 37. Okay, so I'm gonna go from here to there, and I'm going to, so 11 inches to there. Okay, we're gonna go from here, from 50 inches across. I should measure from I should measure from the wheel well. Maybe 5 inches. And I'm gonna go across 72 inches from the driver's seat back, but alright, so I just measured from the back of the driver's seat all the way to the back, but I think I'm going to actually move the seats back to a place where someone taller than me can drive, and then I will base my measurements off of that. Alright, let's try this again. We are now at, I'm gonna say 70 inches. So that took about 2 inches off. So I'd like to think that I'm a measure twice, cut once kind of person, but I don't think I am. However, I did measure quite a few times and I got different measurements every time, but I think I have a solution and I know what I'm going to do and how I'm going to start out. So from the wheel wells, it's 45 inches. 45 inches across. So what I think I'm going to do is when I purchase the plywood, I'm actually going to just create a piece that is 45 inches wide throughout the entire thing. So I don't have to make it too complicating. And then I might still have some space on the sides where maybe I can, like, if I still have the space on the side here, if I'm going to right here, I can still get into this storage, and I'll still be able to get into that storage right there. So I'm going to create a piece that is 45 inches across, and then I'm just going to create the one big piece, and then I will separate it. My measurement started out as, and then it ended up like that. I can understand it, and I'm going to actually take a picture of the back seat and then show you guys, or the back area, and show you guys what the measurements are. Now for this back area, I said last time that I wasn't sure if I was going to do drawers or like a tricep concept. However, Hank gave me this awesome idea to make the back part a table. So I think I did sort of have that idea. However, the back platform I'm going to make into just the regular piece of plywood, and then I'm going to attach legs to it from an old table that's kind of busted up around here. And so it really won't take up that much room, and I'll put the legs on there, and so I can just remove that piece of plywood and turn it into a table, and there will still be sufficient room under there for storage. Just so you guys are aware, so the back half I'm going to separate. I'm not sure if I'm going to cut it from right here or if I'm going to actually cut it from where it dips down, but anyways, like I said, I'll have about 3 inches of room, and there will be legs underneath a piece of plywood, so I can just pick up the piece of plywood, bring it down to the ground, and attach legs to it. So I think that is pretty awesome. And up here is where I'm going to keep tools and use this as storage as well. Over here I'm actually going to remove these bolts and put a cooler system over here, and I can even fit food and stuff under this. But eventually I'd like to get a compressor cooler so I can put that right there, and I can charge it off of anything that's back here. Eventually I want to get like a battery bank to put over there too. So I think I've got the plans. I'm going to go inside and draw everything up. I'm going to plug my merch, and if you have still been watching, I really appreciate it. But I have some awesome stickers for sale. They are bumper stickers, and they are in the shape of Nevada, and they have some really cool little things inside the Nevada symbol. And I created that logo about a year ago when I created my blog. So now I've got stickers for sale. They're $6, and they're in the merch store. The link is in the description below, and that helps support my website and other things that I've got going on over here. So if you don't want to purchase a sticker, that's perfectly fine. I appreciate you being here and watching the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing because I have some awesome adventures. I've actually tweaked my schedule a little bit to where eventually I will be able to go out for a couple weeks at a time so I can create awesome content for you guys. I've got some great plans coming up, so if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any tips, leave them in the comment section below. In the next video, I will be purchasing the materials and then starting the build, but I'm not sure when I'm actually going to be doing that because I have a trip planned to Glacier National Park with some of my girlfriends, and yes, there will be videos on that. But anyways, until then, I hope that you guys are having a good summer and going on plenty of adventures. I will see you in the next video.